share this video. Good morning, good afternoon. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, my people. Good morning, good afternoon, my people. Hey, hey. Share this video. Good morning, my people. Who have been on one? Good morning, my people. Good morning. Share this video, my people. Yeah. Yeah, dance more. Share this video. Good morning. Good morning, my people. Good morning, good afternoon. Share this video, my people. My testimony go shock you. My people, good morning, good afternoon. Anywhere you watch me, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Share this video, may God bless you and share. Invite your friends. Share this video, my people. Share it, share. Share to friends. Share this video, share. Nasty share. Yeah. No sakpe oro egbibi no sanu egbibi. God bless you. Share this video, share. Dodo Lima. Share this video, share. Me and sit down. Una good morning, oh. Una good morning, good afternoon, my people. Good morning, good afternoon. Share this video to friends and family. Share. Una sister don't come out this morning. I don't still come out this morning. Una good morning anywhere when they watch me. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Please share this video. Share to friends. Share this video. Share this video. Please share. I just still come out. Una people, our sister don't come out this morning. In case if you want to buy Hollandis, contact me. There is my number on the screen there. Contact me. If you want to buy Hollandis, best spread, contact me. If you want to buy human hair, like you want to put in my hair, so contact me. This is my handwork. I visit myself. This is my handwork. Yeah, now my handwork. Now I put for my head. So contact me. Any inches where you want buy, contact me. Anything you want buy, human hair, Hollandis, contact me. If you want buy best spread, find one. Contact me. Mona, let me share this video. If you don't want buy Hollandis, contact me. Best spread. If you want buy best spread, you can contact me also. I dey sell Hollandis, I dey sell best spread, I dey sell human hair. Now don't see my handwork. See and here my handwork. If you want buy human hair like this, see and this one not dey come out. Now hand I take it from see and. Share this video, my sisters. Share this video. If you want buy hair, contact me. If you want buy Hollandis, contact me. Contact me if you want to buy Hollandis, if you want to buy human hair, if you want to buy best spread, contact me. My best spread is very nice, it's very good. My Hollandis is very good. Contact me, my people. You have to contact me. Contact me, my people. Share this video, share it, share to friends. Share to friends and family. Share una good morning, good afternoon. In case if una wan buy Hollandis, una wan buy best spread, una wan buy human hair, like the one I put for my hair, so na me dey sell am. Mona, help me share this video, friends. Help me share this video. I want this video to go viral. Share this video. If you want to buy Hollandis, if you want to buy human hair, if you want to buy best spread, contact me. Agawe náà tún wàrà máa bá gbọ́n òye abẹ́rẹ́ wà á máa o. Agawe náà máa ń ẹ̀kọ́ àárẹ̀ èdè. Contact me if you want to buy Hollandis, if you want to buy best friend, if you want to buy human hair, contact me. If you want buy best spread, my people, my friends, if you want to buy best spread, contact me. If you want to buy human hair, contact me. If you want to buy Hollandis, contact me. Please share this video. Let this video go viral. Hey. Oh my name Share this video. When I hear Mona, share this video. Mona, share my video, please, my sisters. Mona, share this video. Mona, share. We'll still talk about Nigeria, our great country, Nigeria. We'll still talk about our great country, our Nigeria, great country, Nigeria. We'll still talk about Nigeria. Mona, share this video. Share this video to friends, share to family and friends. Share it, share. Share this video, share my sisters. Share this video, my sisters. Share to friends. Thank you. Share. Share this video, my brothers and sisters. Mona, share to friends. Mona, share. We want to talk about Nigeria. What is the happen for Nigeria? Those states, Nigeria, not especially in those states. Nigeria save. We want to talk about Nigeria as a whole. We want to talk about Nigeria. We want to talk about Nigeria. Now see wetin dey happen for Nigeria for almost 18 days now, 18 to 17 days now. We see wetin dey happen for Nigeria. We lost many people, many heroes wey we lost. We lost many heroes, many family and brothers and sisters and brothers wey we lost for Nigeria. Una see am. We lost sisters, we lost brothers for Nigeria. Now see wetin dey happen for Nigeria. That time when they say, no, where you need to for my brothers. Those of you who don't understand my dialect, please, you can look for someone who can translate it for you. Excuse me, my brothers and sisters, I want to use my dialect. Benin City, I want to use my dialect. Luwana we ogba ọmọ igba ni han wana we na funa vote ne batiege Obaseki Godwin wana we na vote ne Godwin Obaseki wa bere ni han wa we talk ogba ne ni han ọmọ agba especially Amerima Mishima ni wa mweme na nyahume Nigeria wana wa atawe wa gba wa bege bi no sunu wo wa mi age tian igbele kwa ni a wa bege o ma gba wa bege good luck o ya kuye ba yugwe wa bege ke no ya kuye ba eji wa we talk ogba o na merege ba tian ge Batie nene po ige forward yamba wa bere ni amba wa evidio na wa gesa batio wa ba we me watie na we aba we na when ibieto ni re ni wa ibiebo ni re diaspora we na when ya vote nu wa if you in European country, you only in a vote. Ni vote na vote, ni the campaign na campaign. Ni wa robi era mi jeve the fund the platform. Ni na robi biya. We no ma vote no base ki wu no. Wa bere enia. Wa ya tele button enia. Wa bere life one ya. Na vote no baseki wa bege mi no sunu we donia emani rio jania mo edo ba ni enekere emani susebo edo ba ni enekere we yaji we boni magwaje na we dey amaka be gbe na ye we bona we amigo no be do ase ma bona imuna na be do amuna na we do amie we do amigo na be support na be ame income na be mie kere na we yaji get amaka be gbe na ye okay Europe in imagine na oga si mapo si mapo wa total nya billions of billions in Nigeria wa total nya Emmanuel Obaseki Mona wake up for sleep wake up una see dey sleep wa ye at least what to go wa le Europe na wa le do beg no be sunu be wepo if you wa ya re Europe be na ya school be Europe wana a family wise for Europe ma ya se meme hospital gbere Nigeria e school ro abi mani be ke mi be ke ya suffer ige ba iga ize emeti dize me ni go me ari ke isi me Nigeria ba me ani €100 ke ba gba se mi no gba €100 ni go no dai se ba for 40,000 o mu izo ma fo izo pa wa yi ogu wa na gi ma gwa mata ogba eri mage no mage era no migo be no se nia wa tie bonne wa ma me wa ma wa be platform o wa era no migo o ma no temata be platform o ma no temata wa ya ni ke zero A man is there so. Ware vote in Obaseki. Ware vote in no. Ware vote in Obaseki. Ware vote. Me men no wa mi le gbeno no Obaseki. Me men no wa mi e wo. Era no amigo e pa era no amigo ze guan ze ta lo. Ware vote in me 4+4 ma gba ni a. 4+4 nu wa ta we talk ba. 4+4 ma gba ni a. Esi reva wa ma vote nesi. Esi reva nu wa ya vote nesi. No pove rulu wa ve do state. No pove rulu wa. No pove rulu. Dai ki apa ve rulu. Yemi agbele have innocent children wa in Nigeria. E mani ma suppose ni wulo ya wulo. Ohengia ije Nigeria na ya tota ifu omo ni mo wa in Nigeria ohengia we na ya tota ye Nigeria na we do pe 1 month. Egwe bo na that ye maka fight the freedom the ye maka fight the manare we bo na that ye maka fight we bo na ma stage yo. Stage yo. E mata ma we na enta 4+4 wa we talk ba 4+4 gba me mani mi no gba no wa na mi adi 100 euro ari o gba na egba mi ro pa iye me se mo wa ya di ni wa ari e ti se me no gba ke bae ali di e ti mani pe iye ti ma so ro ni eti mi ga e won se ye mi. But he guy no a small boy, a small boy under 6 years old, that be 7 years. I know that boy, age boy in 9 years. Wanna share this video, wanna share my brothers and sisters. A boy in 9 years, wanna bear bami guy no ya do mu. Oh, han a boy ni every young na ya. Ona ya do guy mu. Ona we guy, wanna do guy mu. Ona ya nwo in Nigeria. Wanna be boy anyone. Obe mo be no be sunu o me ya drink e ba o me dumu gwa na egbe wa Nigeria in money o no o hengia isho o hen me the we bo na ni mawaje na dirty mama dirty me na me we mama iya ma fight the we bo na iya abi bi e bo no ma ba mo dirty ma ka gbe na ye wo ya na o we ma e ti do stay ye wa. Nigeria is the great country in the world. Nigeria is the great country. At least wakeveke ave manibene go the world. At least the Nigeria have move a 4th or 5th. Mama ye, mama figmo, mama gold, mama mi ya no huigore. Anu e watota nyaya. Emma waga video na. About when our target talk ba when I do a campaign maybe not about it do a live video about omo no what have a platform no magbera e pare ranomigo ta oye tamu wa why your my mobile seki your mama vote your mama APC rewa wa ma vote me man wa mi egbe Godwin Obaseki me man wa mi egbe. Wanna share this video, let this video go viral. Let's share this video. I know see what you see for Godwin Obaseki body. 4+4 na 0 egba 4+4 is 0 egba o ma gba hi egba wallahi wa yo megbe ne wallahi post ni re egi oge eri man oke arrive ka ge mati ge no ke uwa hi amen wa ona uwa hi wa yo mene wallahi na re no wa gie mane youth ni be do campaign ni mane youth be do like governor president manage youth or suppose no be elect governor president who wanna be hold ma wa ya mwe wa tiere ave Boko Haram wa do mu fi president governor Wagima do moi, il vient sans rêve, Wamamu vient sans job for one day. Il vient boré, Wamamu vient bojo. Hein? Wagwala onsa, ya keke ya wala uwe, watiere uwoha. Ami vient onsa ya moi viji maga, avec ti maga. Why begeni? Edo State no can I be great Edo State. Edo State egi mi no igwa, gemi no isunu Edo State. Dete wepo ni mayaje vedene na dete ya madole ji ma agare wepo na. Meti do tota fie wepo mana. De wepo ya madole ji dete me na miewe. Be na ve bad leaders in the rebel man. Debe na mie we eriya ya bad leaders of ere mana very onine no be worst manave ebina na ge extraordinary man then man do we webo because every man say ma abu dan ya magi ma bego te wa here wa tota nyango okay yet be say 46,000 me and 100 euro ge ishi mewo wa ini go debi no say ya owo wa o hanga do fipon o hanga de granoto ye Buhari I beg you sir Buhari open border may you take the youth which day you go open border. Give them time, if not 3 weeks, if not 1 month, if not 3 months. Open border. Everything too dear. Tomatoes for 500 naira. Open border. Yam too dear for house. School not be school for Nigeria. School not be school. Hospital, then we not get a good care for Nigeria. Me, I cannot go to Nigeria and spend 3 months, no, because there is no good care, no good health, nothing. What did they happen? Seafood one on your luck for inside this thing, Buhari open border, open food for open border. Me, our people for Nigeria, our youth, our mama, our papa, they make the seafood they eat. Something too cost. If not be we when we go better way, if we see they come this Europe. Say maybe if they say na Africa all of us, the way we foresee money to the feed, when we foresee money to they give our parents or our brothers and sisters money to they eat. Enough day. Una just sit down for the money. Our money una sit down put. We get another man's land with the suffer. We dey inside coal, we go dey enter inside coal, go dey work. We dey pay house rent. You know how much we dey pay for house rent here? Money wey we dey pay for house rent here, you go reach person take do marriage for Nigeria for a month. Buhari open border. I dey beg you, open border. Buhari open border. Open border, I beg, open border. Our mama they suffer for Nigeria. Our mama they suffer for Nigeria. Buhari open border. I beg you sir, open border. Because I see food sir, I dey beg you. You are the president, I still dey beg you. Open border for your children, open border for your mama there. Make they see food they eat. Not be the one wey you come talk for life. For video say you go open border, you go tell the youth. As you say we get there, as you say we be lazy youth. We are not lazy. Lazy youth that they from Nigeria they come. No of your family don't pass a Lapadusa. No of your family don't pass a Lapa. We dey risk our life, they pass Lapa. We dey cross many bridge before we enter Europe here. You know river wey we cross when we enter Europe here. You say we be lazy youth. We are not a lazy youth. We are not a lazy youth. more as the business owner don hold more na comot for the power make the lazy youth with the lazy youth make we take over. SARS go come police go come arrest person the kind beat wey dem go beat person. Ẹ̀wẹ́ bọ̀mọ̀nà ni màjẹ́ náà ọgbàlẹ́gbẹ́ àhíàndó mú ọmọ àbòkwá ọgbàlẹ́gbẹ́ àhíàndó mú ọmọ wẹ̀ náà yà kọ́pìlẹ̀ wẹ̀ ọmọ ẹ̀nìyàn náà ọ̀fẹ̀dì wẹ̀ ọgbàlẹ́gbẹ́ àhíàndó mú ọmọ ọgbàlẹ́gbẹ́ yẹn gbọ́ ọmọ ìyẹn wà rẹ kú ìyẹn wà dó mú ọmọ níyẹn àrẹ́sẹ̀ ẹ̀ lè kéni mẹ̀jẹ̀ náà ò bẹ̀ wẹ̀ bọ̀mọ̀nà ìmẹ̀jẹ̀ France náà lè àtìtàlì ìyẹn gbọ́ ọmọ. Unless una approve a stubbornness or approve a stubbornness una onule lo gba le gbegbe na yen na le lu egbina eyen fi o sisi àwọn sisi rabani no we come eyen fi but ogba le gbe ma yen ahe wa ya mu o ma yen wa fi lo sisi ta So blow it for me, sorry. Share this video, my sisters there. Mona help me share this video. Mona help me share. Ọgbọ́nlẹ́gbẹ́ akíyàndó mú ọmọ àbẹ̀ wẹ́bọ̀ ní màjẹ́ náà. Ìyẹn fi lọ sísí. Ọ̀rí mà níbi Nàìjíríà ọ̀rí mà níbi ètò ọ̀gbọ́n àkìyàn bẹ́ẹ̀ ọgbàlẹ́gbẹ́ akíyàndó mú wọ̀ ọ̀hún wọn ọkùn ònú pẹ́ntì núra rù pẹ̀wẹ́ ìyẹn mẹ́mí ìyẹn ìhẹ́ ìwà máa wẹ́ bẹ̀tẹ̀ polisi máa polisi ẹ̀dọ̀ polisi akíyàndó polisi ẹ̀wì máa ìyẹn akíyàndó mú ọkùn ò ìyẹn kàárọ̀ onísàn wẹ̀ don arrest àbí ẹ̀ ọ̀mà náà gùn wẹ̀ don arrest. Ame sasini ehando ehe ya arrest wokpa be ko be derio ihe ibu esu ogwe na yo borara enwera onisan ma na magba na wa we sasi wa hin wa wuwa wa nyedo ma na a police because of 5 naira who I think bomanagmo wa a soldier yes, I'm a soldier because my father was a retired soldier before. Because I remember do a key, have a nonsense in Wadona. Or man do it. Again, your mommy, I'm a bride. But 15 naira white bomb hour. But 5 naira white bomb hour. But 200 naira white bomb hour. The weapon in Majena, police are here. Oh, yeah, when they stop you, when they break you, when they motor near move with any place. If you see. If you see. Oh, he married Nigeria. I hand over rest of your house. Almost see. Police man ga vena. Ave police ya. Imeika la eri my no a president. Ave police ya we regbe wa that ya recruiting ya me man what ye. La wo we regbe wa we regbe ave police ya fe. Wa suspend here, wa suspend avec police here. Nous wa we regbe ya we e deri koti wa atie, nous wa regbe ya rema nous wa avion ye police. E mani ma finish pa marestis wa avion ya ye police. E mani finish e invest ni ye gwa linwina. Wa ma vinya. Wa he ya mo dede bu po, dede amudia mana mudia se bo punpo. Wa ifi osisi. Wa he arrest ma bo wa if your sisi. Wa de webo no wa do gebe na be police ya gele nwi na ebe webo. No wa do gebe na be police gele ya nwi na ebe webo Europe na ni majena. Nigeria Nigeria police agwa ye mama mu dia be Nigeria gwa mume gwa mume bribe no wa e opugbe bribe corruption bugbe bribe bugbe the police agwa mu we mu dia before you know where your vehicle of driving license this one why iriene ebi ya gba o ya aka di me ni aye bua lo my character be oge police be Nigeria emma kakaka emma when ya na we police na when ya we say in ma improvement e be gun me ni woni ya mi improvement gun yan eso me set be gba o ya ma we wo han wa wa je Nigeria Edo state wa Edo state wa ya kimi owe Name police bribe wa gbelu wa bribe ya ka wa me wa mu nenu kun na me police jo ge ka wa fu we the president of we me go ni e be Europe every day when we Europe in every day we ma beg awu kun police job e webo nu we me na a new system nu a new cloth nu o tun e gbe police new cloth and you change ave police ni new cloth new shoe o do ge webo mana wukun ni yanjo the police man you go ni yan mi e si yan pay her strength boss ni he na itepele ma wa we wan say we now na president ma wala o me yin mi wa say youth ma e ave lazy youth nu we makini wasi ma any mado president ni mado we governor or ni mado president wa yon mane no wa be total yo wa at least on won paru e Buhari o yon pa waru for 10 years e mana o wa total nya go wa total nya everything do one rare opportunity ni another president ni re webo na ni anje be webo ma do one rare opportunity o yan be ma na hey one ro ma e ga mi one ro ma o wa ze bube wa ga ze ye ma o Emma wa change wa fi werie ave president and governor wa fi werie wa fi werie me yin wa fi werie wa ya fi werie the way asibe
yes sir we life
gay ni ama wa gay mona share this video mona share o ma bere we asi no redo
Omo, no be smarting o.
Ekeni ya vie ba ile eji e na ina.
As in see what we just find out.
Ela ni ya ga be coronavirus. E na ina ni ya viole na. Gay, we aso get do na ina.
Omo.
Guy, we are so get do na fina. Guy, see what the seafood where they go hide.
Just imagine. We're live. This is Bukuru. This is the way out. I bet no carry anything where no be food.
Okay, bobe na fina. Okay, do ya be mo get do la diaba. Okay, bobe na fina, guy.
Only food.
Mona share this video. Mona share to friends.
Mommy, go carry food. This one no be palliative.
Hey.
Carry food. We
Wa bege hey. Wa share video now. Wa share video now.
Carry only food. If this one.
Oge do ya le mo ge do le ma wa. E we aso ge do ya le mo e ma wa.
See what these people go hide for here. They starve people.
Oge do ya le mo e ma wa bege ene. Good morning, man, sister Mercy. Good morning. Now so, yes, now so, now suffer now with the suffer maje. Avec Tima, on m'a besoin d'essayer because ma bête est ce gars est jamais le webo. Mais tant que ma sema yo, voici j'ai ma avec ra, avec tien, ma hier yo wa. We are not here 50 euro give me joma 100 euro. We need go they will not say yaw. Ni le mo ge do be ma wa. Hey, o ge do na fina e temeni wo. E we a so ge do na fina o. E keni ya lo de ba e jiga very ma. Ekene Obaseki abie ba eji. Wa share video na wa share. Oge do na hina we aso ge do kenya ya abie ba ele eji. Wa bege ya be we gbe mo be ma wa share video na o temeni ku. Wa kumesho Wagumesha video na ge neri mage rano migo ke gua white e bone gua viere mata no ge e mata ladia nenia neri mage rano migo gua wa marie one erima ijimani redo wagagi voti Wagagi vote, ba me 5 naira wa ya vote. Ge ubege ba rere ni ya ku ni ya ne good luck Obaseki. E no ku ye e we aso ge do ni kini ni show pan. Eva no se ya ko ke Nigeria do state aseo. Ana ku ye kon pa. Bugwe coronavirus na ma pa mo Nigeria ma pa ma mi go ya ri ba ni bi o ma me ba imani o ge we mo ni e bi e ni o mi ye me ri ba e bi ye ma e mani na gbegbe e wa e mani na hu we wa me ba e na be we as hey e we has abi e we as we wa me wa e ba e na good luck Obaseki wama we ese wana wa save ba eni oge coronavirus ni ave ba eni no kwa rebe coronavirus wa meti be guy wana ari o tesa wana ya guy 6 cup of rice e ku wa mu me abat boje abat ni o wa osena wa ri o wa gbela oho wa sulojo ohun the family abat bu waje wana ga so 4+4 ogba o ma gba ni beto te gba ma ibi gba o ma ri gba ni 4+4 ho my heme e social media na te muere ogba no te bone ne egie ni te bone nwi bi ka hia fe we no na dia do amo ebo gbibi ihue no odo la de odo ate ebo ni bi be ka ya fe ni do taguna ebo no wetie ni e pa yo gwere ogwa we ba ni ogwa we ba ni ogwa na ya ku o ya ri bai because hu bi e ka hu bi e ka ya no wetie ebo na wa mana vote no Obaseki Kona wa tie gbe bo beri yo wo wa nu wa je wo wa nu wa je ni eboni gbera nwidu wa wo aye eboni hi aje wo because bi ka ya ni rota gbona iya ma me mi no iya ma me mi na ni ari iya ma me mi na wa e yeah yo ge ko na fina de rae wa bere rae wa bere rae yo ge ko wa show video na when I got if you go ni rogwa na fina ave rae na when I got if you go ni rogwa na fina wa show video na wa ge rae
which more I don't know 100 more no be
o bere ave family ogba o my gba ni ave magbon reva wa meti vote wa meti campaign wa meti vote in the magbon okay man oga very ma veji man irogwa no yan wa di go kere nu wa yan wa do mu anyo pa get hot yoto why wa change unu instantly 5 minutes why wa change unu kema dem ma okwe bribe emma yeye wa vote in the right person wa vote in omagbon wa vote in the youth wa we lazy youth in ma agree your lazy youth a lazy youth now wa vote in the lazy youth wa ma vote in ma wa ya vote in ave di o ma ave de ni ki o ma ne ni ruo we yan wa ga vote in the man no wa ma suppose to wa vote na guy masogu go gigo no mamule guy igo no mamule na hina guy rena lao guy igo masogu go igo no mamule na hina rena la okay ubeg igo eke no mu igo jibuga wo gwa ya ikun ogwa ubeg masogu go eke no mamu igo ji wa beg igo wa bere rena idola o bere kene ren la igo we wa ge na igo e euro reba ni euro reba euro pounds e naira e euro reba ge wa bere igo o sa bo here arrest e rena gienso eren ige ma e na hina uwa akpa igo no wa eni guy ubegi go ubege gabi go guy ubege wa share video na wa video na Waga video now because avec Timani pour ni agbelebe Nigeria o gay o gele exam o doma o gele wa doma oni o ni do gbina je j'aime bien Nigeria. Ogele doma because the Nigerian na te wa jigo ge the Nigerian na te jigo ge hey oge ni ave show na oge Ibadan na hina wa gay Eba keni na ya gbe oge ra egwe aso we ba yi oge Ibadan na hina Ibadan re
new bikes you can see people strolling in and moving new bikes from a politician's house
Owe politician. If I near ya viole, you beg it. Have new machine, near ya viole. Near ya viole machine, having machine of money, ya viole, you beg me. You beg it. Owe politician, and I have been a lad now. Near viole. Be bad, and I think I bad. I was your budget. You beg me. You beg it.
It's 12 p.m. Saturday, October 24. You can see. People are moving.
Now I know. We beg it. I was soon to Baba now. I was soon to now.
They are running.
Yeah, I have a politician, right? If not a politician with my hair, nothing now, okay? If near with my hair, I don't know if Badana soon now. I was soon now, near Baba now, I was soon now. If you not a politician with my even if do anything now with the bad or anything now, right? With Nigeria, anything now, right? Nigeria. You are begging. Uncle Waggy Ma. Egbao 4 plus 4 na 0. Multi. 4 plus 4 0. Egba. 4 plus 4 0. 8 0. 4 plus 4 0 1 or 0 0 0 0 0. Wani gbina wani solo ge wana solo yoto ekan. Iya mari go no wani ya. A good luck oba seki e. Amari go no wa. Wana ga solo. Eri agba o. Genia, agba, hawagba, negba, urururu, 4 plus 4, wanagbai, vokianagba, babe, erimani rogwa, pion where you talk. Egba, because we knew what keke, no wayati ogba. Egi oge wana no ro agi kage abatabaze. Abatabaze you are so 4 plus 1 agba 4 plus 1 wana egba 4 plus 1 egba. Where money move side the plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 na 0 egba e maleji wa ya areba. Aye bebu wa ye bani ge egba o egba 4 plus 4 egba AC reba AC wa ge AC ru anything no e concern AC wa giyan ru wa giyan campe egi wa 4 plus 4 na 4 plus 1 wona gba yi Egba o, ekbiza do adekbiza 46,000. Waya o, 4 seed of tomatoes 500 naira. Inigo manire mo hin ri ari o wa no hin gbege ba he. Ma de robogi, wo me nigo no hin be robogi. E robo he wo me nigo no hin. Ukma golo ge mi kenye kana go na ka de 30 naira. O ye 150 160 na. Ve milk. That's small milk, a milk, not a pink milk. Na kade 30 naira is 160, 150 naira. You know. Ama wu wa ni ga ya de roba. E roba was 8,000 abi 10,000 na. I met it the robogi. Inya na kade 100 naira, inya 600, 500. Ehen we are there ehen akade to 200 150 ehen to 200 150 ehen to 200 na do like 700 800 inigo ya de mi we are 100 euro ari o wa bege na inigo 100 euro is about 40 something thousand inigo wa de una de half rubber of this half rubber of this am where the tomatoes uda rubara ude here mani emejebe ije bokwa ugbeso ave zedi ave rigo be gijima ije be ya mie be ya dievai ije mie be ya wonona e manete de ive ma be we bobo bi yan kian eni megitana e man omono ye no remane no meje bokwa omone viayata ewe manirema e mai soro ne rian rogwa ni jian rogwa ni viere webo vian ya fidivi ijian ugbona na ni vie dote munia ivie ave tien Buhari e igala ugbo Demi hianga ini wa ya delemina inigo manirema manire sabwa ijebe kon sa bon sa lo ba edagbe ma o yen gbe sofa ma kwa be sofa le webo ma bet ma sofa le webo mo wo oni uwo ni e ma na ya nwina ima la woni ima ya nwina ai mi oven be din ave webo ma oven no ave mi oven maybe o 23 months o 23 months ni he ave ati oven na o hangi aja me no ko ku amera ya huwe aye je aye mu sweater ye jo aye be je sweater no seva aya gwali go woni aya nwina woni inwe no ma suppose that nwina nwine ya be webu ave Buhari ge be a good luck Obaseki yeah good luck Obaseki ya to tanya wi go bogwa ima fi hun ma gwali go be bo mana ima fi hun je ke mama suppose mana ima fi hun ji ugo ni ma ise nwina obi ma do ajebe ni ana obi ma do freeze oni gbele mabo any amat ni na veri no wani joma no vero wa eti ma colleague be bo mana wo wa ni majena ma vi amigo I call you we ma of one very 50-year-old ni we manage of one very 100-year-old ni we manage why got tase money re we bo mana anwina o sa bok ma ebe na ya migo ebe na ya nwina ebe ma ije meso wa tasi de wa ki only dara me marien wala wa bi agbere ivo wa bege ehia na ehia ria wa gumega video na wa gumega no sekpi abo no so bo wa ya wese wa gumega 4+4 egba 4+4 egba wa ga tawete 4+4 gba eri oba se ke eri owo no na o eri on supo eri on sono na o eri on suo na me ma when on win na ye do we vin win na the youth we lazy youth rogwa we ke fabrica pa yo wa we wa ke fabrica ni bune youth ma do anwina nu bere deve ne de nu are de te youth lazy din ama lazy wa ma ke fabrica no yo university for Nigeria emi wina oye awe conductor even ni university for Nigeria iye ya awe car wash ni ye university for Nigeria iye emi wina iye ya afie iye ya here driver ni university for Nigeria emi wina oya fry buns oya fry hair grow ni ma ye school ni ro ni ma de ye pamare gwan iya amigo Yeah. Ema niye university in Nigeria. Iye mi winner. Mi winner. What's the yahu here now to von in Nigeria? What's the name mi normal money? What's the name here Bob in Nigeria? Wa mi no bleach. Why we yahu? Wa mi no you jeans swagger. Why we yahu? Wa mi no you jumper jeans. Why we yahu? Wa mi no mo iPhone 6, iPhone 20. Why we yahu? Ogo wa in Nigeria na give ma obe bungbe. Why voting Obaseki? Why na alaje ogba from then ogba Ivona ogba a good luck one now oh good luck Obaseki or one they will know no wana Godwin Obaseki I mean excuse me Godwin Obaseki me mama me know ye do me memi no ujedo e Godwin Obaseki no wawata na me memi no ujedo no wati e bona ti e bo nu hu ga ti e bona e hu bie ka ya when no ma vote no Obaseki o Godwin Obaseki o ge no sunu dai bie ge no sunu e bona ti e ni ogwa e ba e be lenwi do ba ni wo ogwa e ba hian gwe abie because e bie ka ya ni rota gun na ya ma memi ni yan wo e Ema here like a Godwin Obaseki. We are like a Godwin Obaseki. Me here like a. We ti be hate me ti be like a. We no ma very rude. O ma very rude in Nigeria. We Nigerian youth ma lazy. Mama lazy. When a Godwin Obaseki care fabrica in Nigeria. No do a youth. E we bona data we e boni re we bona ma dole we bona ji. Ma e ga re we bona. E tasa ya vote no ma. Tasa ya vote no ma. Weti do tawo na ma vote no Godwin Obaseki we no ona ami o. Meme million wa mi e wona. So etemeni wo e video na itaise ne benia na. Wagume show e video na. Wagume ga 4+4 o egba. Imu rizabo egba. Imu rizabo ke imu fizabo egba. When ave youth ma when yando rude. Ni ave are we governor. Ni ave awe president. Ni ave prime minister emi yanu wa ovedo. When you have money youth. Iyan ave manage university iyan wina phone. Iyan ye school phone iyan mi wina. Oma etemeni ho wa wese ciao wa baba yi wa gumega video na